Chapter 1. Food and Feeding Habits of Animals. We eat food to get energy to work and stay healthy. We eat food to grow. We also need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Animals eat different kinds of food. Different animals have different eating habits. Herbivores. Some animals like cow, goat, buffalo and deer eat only plants. They are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals like lions, leopards and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Omnivores. Some animals like crows, bears, dogs, cockroaches and humans eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. How animals eat? Different animals have different eating habits. The eating habits of animals depend on the kind of food they eat. Gnawers. Animals like squirrels, rabbits and rats eat grains, fruits and nuts. They have very sharp front teeth for cutting. These animals gnaw their food. Animals that gnaw, bite repeatedly or chew hard their food are called gnawers. Animals that swallow their food whole. Some animals swallow their food whole without chewing it. Frogs and lizards have a long and sticky tongue. They catch the insects with their tongue and swallow them whole. A snake swallowing food without chewing. Snakes also swallow their food without chewing. They do not have any chewing teeth. Though a snake has a small mouth, it can open its mouth very wide to swallow the food. Animals that tear and chew flesh. Carnivores such as lions, tigers and wolves have special teeth to tear and chew the flesh of other animals. Their front teeth are sharp and pointed. These teeth help them to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are flat and broad. These teeth help them to chew. A lioness has sharp teeth. Sharp and pointed teeth. Flat and broad teeth. Animals that eat grass and chew. Herbivores like cows and buffaloes eat grain and leaves. They use their flat and broad front teeth to bite off the leaves and grass. They use their strong grinding teeth at the back to chew their food. Cows and buffaloes first swallow their food. After some time, they bring it back in their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud or rumination. These animals are called cud-chewing animals. Other cud-chewing animals are sheep, giraffes and goats. Animals that take in liquid food. Some animals take in liquid food. These animals have a long, thin, hollow tube to suck the food into their mouth. Butterflies and bees use this tube to suck nectar from flowers. Mosquitoes and leeches suck blood from the bodies of other animals. Some animals like cat and dog lap up milk and water with their tongue. This method of taking in liquid is called lapping. Food chain. Food chain. A chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and the animals are eaten by other plants is called food chain. Look at this food chain formed by plants and animals. A food chain always begins with a plant, so we can say that all animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Care of domestic and pet animals. Animals like cows, horses, goats, sheep and camels help us in many ways. These animals are called domestic animals. Horses and elephants carry load for us. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. Animals like cats, dogs and rabbits live with us. They are called pet animals. Dogs guard our homes. We should always take care of these animals. We should give them proper food and water. We should keep them in clean shelters. We must be kind to these animals.